Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Telegram apps on Windows 11 PC. Telegram is the most popular communication app. You can easily communicate your relative and friends and family with Telegram app. It is very secure app, so you can use it. So in this video, I will show you how to install these apps. So at first I open my browser and then type Telegram and then hit enter. Then go to this website, download Telegram desktop. So I click on get Telegram for Windows X64. So setup file will be downloading. It take few time to download. So download is completed. I minimize my browser and this is the setup file of Telegram. So I double click on it and it asks me to select language. I click on OK and then click on next, click on next, and click on install. And I click on finish button. Then Telegram apps will be run on Windows 11. And then I tried to log in my Telegram account. It asked me to scan this QR code from the settings. I go to settings of Telegram apps and then go to devices and then link desktop device and I scan this QR code. After scan this, it asks me to type my password. So I enter my password and then submit. So this is the interface of Telegram apps. I blurred this for security reason. So that was my video. In this video, I was show you how to install Telegram apps on Windows 11 PC and how to link it with Telegram account. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video from YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video from Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.